In this lesson, we'll be learning all about how to create a multiplication table. So over here, you just write the number that you want to get the multiplication table of, and then you press the generate button and it's going to tell what it equals to as well. So let us start. Now first let me add a background color to my screen and add a multiplication type. So you can see this is the label. Now let me add a text box and a generate button. So after that let me add some more details. So you can see I added a list and all of these other details like my name, the link and the Belmans. So now it's time to add the code. So if I go to the code section, over there I want to create two variables. Now what is my first variable? It is the list variable. Now in the list variable you are going to create empty list. And I am also going to have the answer which is 0. So these are the two variables. After that you are going to add this when generate button click. So what will happen when the generate button is clicked? What will happen is you're going to set global list. So let's add set global list. You're gonna add this one, set global list by create empty list and answer by 0. Where the people write the number. So what this means is when they write some number, the global answer is also going to add that answer. And after that, we're going to add the list that we created over here. And we want to add items to that list, right? So what is the item? You're going to add a get global list over here. And which is our list that we created, right? It should get that list. So that's the list it's going to add items to. And then you're going to add not this, I'm sorry. And then you're going to add the number box text multiplied by, so let's add multiplied by the number and equals answer. So let's add some number, answer, and this. So you got this variable, you add that over here, then you equal that out. Equal it out with your global answer over here, like that, right? So yeah, so now it's time to test our app. So let me test this for you. So I'm gonna catch you up in the screen, in the test. So now guys, you can see over here I got my mobile, and over here I have opened my app. Now first let me type the multiplication number. So let me write 2 for example. And I'm gonna take this and generate this. Yes, now guys, let me write my number. 2. Is it? Oh my god. This works. Actually, it's really happy. I'm really happy. Let me add. See, guys. See. Oh my god. It's really shocking, right? Guys, this is really shocking. Right? What's it? 20 equal to 4, 2 plus, and then if you go like, if you go like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. So if you see that pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that's the pattern that is over here, and that's amazing. So if you go to an even number, which is like 2, 4, 6 and 8, those are the even numbers. So if you write them over here, you're going to get that 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and you're going to get that pattern. So like if I add 8, then you can see we got 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then like that. But 8 is not able to give all the equal numbers, right? Yeah. So this is the multiplication table app, and I hope you like this, and I hope this is some kind of educational for you, and I hope you learned something with this app, and hope you guys which are kids will learn multiplication using this app. So if you want to learn how to create this app, if you want to understand the logic of this app in more detailed explanation, then subscribe to my classes, and I'll see you next time. Bye!